go YouTube. I'm Lucky Sam the Explorer with a brand new series. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section and share the link of this video with your friends. Okay. Let me ask you all a question. Guys, when I raise a topic on cars, which brand gets into your mind, or what comes into your mind first? I know you'll be thinking of brands like Toyota, Tesla, Honda, so on. Yeah, I know you'll be thinking of that. And when I talk about tech, I know you all will agree with me that Africa must be out of the game. When we talk about tech, Africa is not part of the game. And I know you are going to agree with me. Yes, thank you for agreeing with me. So guys, I'll be taking you all on a journey to Africa and show you cars that are made in Africa. This series I'm making is to enlightening you to know more about Africa, just to enlightening you, okay? And then let me tell you all something. There are thousands of products which are made in Africa, but I don't think you're aware of that. So just relax as I walk you through this series. Literally, it's about cars that are made in Africa, but alongside I'll be deviating and then let you know more products that are made in Africa, or I can make a different series on maybe some products that are made in Africa. So you guys tell me in the comment section what to do. If you want me to deviate along the line whilst we are making this series, which is cars made in Africa, just let me know, okay? I'm going to do that. Or if you want me to make a different series on that, just let me know. Yes, so that is it. And then the title of this series I'm making is, I've already said it, is cars made in Africa. So please share this video with your friends. Not only your friends, with your family, with your loved ones, with anyone. Let them enjoy the content you're enjoying. Especially share the link of this channel or share the link of this video with them, okay? So that they can enjoy the content you're enjoying. Please, guys, join me. Let's explore Africa. Join me. Let's, know more about Africa, especially on this series, Cars Made in Africa. Help me. Let's make this series one of the best series on YouTube. Okay. Whew. I know I'm talking too much, so please subscribe to my channel if you're not, or share the link of this channel to someone else to subscribe. Okay, just do this for your boy. If you want to know more or what is going to come next after this video, just let's interact in my social media, things like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. I'm going to leave all those links in the description, okay? So just check it out. Let's interact. Let's share ideas on what to do next. So turn on the notification so that you'll be updated anytime I post the episode 1 of this series. Okay, join me. Let's make this mission or this series a wonderful series. So once again, I'm Lucky Sam the Explorer. Stay blessed. I'm out.